Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Sorry for the wait. The last 2 days my mitochondrial disease has been really acting up. So I'm basically laying in bed. But the good thing about that is I get to read more. So I'm back into fantasy after a couple true crime biographies. I found one that I have so many feelings about. It's Blood Engines by Tim Pratt. He's a really good author. He's won Hugo Awards, and I've seen other authors on Twitter mention him, tag him. So the name was really familiar when Goodreads popped it up on my profile as something I might like to read. So I remembered the name, I looked it up, and apparently it was in, I don't know if you've heard of Felicia Day's Vaginal Fantasy. Someone kind of put it in that genre, and Felicia Day actually read it. And she basically said exactly how I feel. She summed it up, which was it was rough around the edges, but it was worth a shot. Basically, this book is about Marla Mason. Marla has a rival who's trying to kill her, so her only bet to not have this spell put on her that ends her life, basically erases her from the world at all, no one will remember her, is to go to San Francisco and find an ancient artifact. But when she gets to San Francisco with her friend, she realizes all the sorcerers there are having their own issues. Someone is trying to kill all of the major sorcerers in the San Francisco area. So it kind of becomes a mystery, and she's trying to find this artifact while having to deal with these people she's hanging out with dying, trying to figure out why he's killing them, who's killing them, how he's killing them. And meanwhile, she has a best friend, and he's pretty funny. He's kind of in there for comic relief, but he actually does push her to be a better person at times, because there was one sorcerer who they met who helped them, but he was kind of switching the body of his apprentice, and it was like really creepy. He was using her body, and she was trapped in his. So at the end of the book, spoilers, they switch that around and save her. And Randu, I don't know how to say his name. He is just a wacky character, and he really made the book interesting. Marla I really like. She's kind of that cold and have so many feelings, but I have to be strong, so I can't share them, which is a little cliche to me. I wish she had more of a personality, just like a tough sorcerer who you don't want to mess with. I can see why some people like kind of hinted this maybe was like more risque. I know when I looked it up, it said there's more sexual innuendos and scenes in the book, and I could see that it was kind of a sex party at one point, and that was interesting. That was pretty interesting. That's how the scenes made me feel, but they were well written and they were fun. So good job, Tim Pratt. I could tell this was the first book in the series, because sometimes it was just like when when you listen to your dad and he's telling this long, drawn out story, and you're like, okay, that's interesting, and you know it's gonna get to a good part, but it's taking a while. That's exactly how I felt towards the middle of this book. I was like, okay, nice. Now get to the real story. I'm waiting for that. And her rival's name is Susan, and she kept saying, Susan's after me. And I just kept feeling like, Susan, for an evil sorceress, that sounds more like the woman at the office who annoys you when you're trying to look at Twitter on your break. But okay, I think maybe she's trying to do something different, which I get. There's a couple slurs in there too, which, no, I'm not for that. But it wasn't, you could tell that he was trying not to be offensive, and I appreciated that. So, gonna let that slide. I liked the story overall. So, and the second one is even better, and I think there's 9 or 10 books in the series. I think it's finished, but I heard it gets better and better, and the world building and the magic and the urban fantasy part does really interest me. So I'm actually renting the second one of this from my library, and it's already in transit. So maybe if anyone's interested, I'll talk about that. But I would recommend this if you like urban fantasy, if you like strong female protagonists, if you like San Francisco or California, because you could tell the author really dug that city. And there's actually a lot of authors who write about San Francisco or California. Christopher Moore and Richard Cadry both do that. So this kind of was right up my alley. But I really enjoyed it.